The Clarke PLS360 petrol-driven pressure washer is an extremely powerful, tough and rugged petrol-driven pressure washer. It is designed for use by garages, fleet operators, plant hirers, boatyards, farms and contractors. The PLS360 pressure washer is powered by a highly reliable 13 horsepower 4-stroke petrol engine, which complies with the latest Euro5 emission standards and is built to blast through tough muck and grime with ease. The engine has a 12-volt ignition system, incorporating a simple key start. An easily accessible oil filler is on the side, and the 6.5-litre fuel tank with wide filler mouth is conveniently located on the top of the machine. Mounted on a tough all-steel frame, the PLS360 is the ideal washer for regular heavy-duty use. The ergonomic handle folds down when not in use for easy transport and storage. To protect the pump, a thermal relief valve will automatically open if the temperature inside the pump becomes too high. The metal lance is supplied by an extra long 10-meter high-pressure hose, which has quick-release connectors at each end for operator convenience. The high-pressure pump has its own oil filler and side glass, and, like the engine oil, the level should be checked daily. The highly efficient gear reduction system results in a longer life with no belts and pulleys to change, and an anti-vibration system contributes to smooth running. A pressure regulator enables the pressure to be reduced if required. The PLS360 features 4 large 10-inch pneumatic tyres for easy mobility across uneven ground and go-anywhere usability, and comes with a reinforced water suction hose and filter for drawing water from a water butt in remote locations. A quick connect adapter is also included to enable connection from a garden hose. A detergent pickup hose with filter is also provided to enable automatic mixing of detergent with the pressure jet. These handy brackets allow easy storage of both the high pressure and water pickup hoses. Specifications include a maximum pressure of a massive 248 bar or 3,600 psi and a water flow of up to 17 litres per minute. Supplied with a professional lance with protective shroud, adjustable high-pressure output, and generous lengths of water suction and detergent pickup hoses with filters, the PLS360 is the ideal pressure washer for any professional user.